How to stake eGold on Maiar app and earn up to 15 to 20% APR. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pinvisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can stake eGold on Maiar app. Now I'll just be guiding you through the basics, quick and easy. First things first, as you know, Maiar app has been transformed into xPortal, so you can either head into xportal.com or you can get the xPortal app and you can open it up. Now you can import your wallet here as well. In my case, I just created a wallet here, so I haven't gone through verification, but I'll just be showing you the basics. First things first, in order to stake, you'll simply have to tap on the earn option at the home screen, and then here you can tap earn, and then you'll get the option to go ahead and tap on stake, and you can go ahead and stake, or you can tap on the little icon, the main X icon that you can see in the middle at the bottom, and then you can see the earn option. You can see stake, eGold and earn. You can tap on it and you can go ahead. Now it's asking you to back up the secret phrase, so I'll just back it up real quick. So now here, as I told you, if you tap on the icon at the middle bottom of your screen and then tap on earn stake gold, you can see you'll be able to stake your eGold to earn rewards. So here you can tap on learn more about staking and learn more about it, or you can tap on stake now and then go ahead and you can see you'll get the stake option there. You can tap on it. Now here in my case, I don't have any eGold here, as you can see. And even if you don't have any, if you have it on your wallet and you wanna get it on your app, then you can simply go back, right? And here you can tap on receive and then tap on eGold and you'll get the address. Now you want to get this address. Using this address, you can open up your wallet and send the eGold to here, and then you can go ahead and stake. So this is how you can stake on Maiar app or xPortal. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.